we did it. I could retire today. We hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Look, I know it's not a lot, but I'm still happy about it. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. So thanks for supporting me. I got more coming for you guys. I'm telling you, some crazy custom. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. You know, you gotta enjoy the content. You gotta enjoy it every day.
Wonder.
What it is and what it don't do. You know what time it is. We got another issue up, and it's a special one. I be saying that too much, too often, but I like it. This is the reason why I do this stuff, okay? Gets me excited. It gets me so excited, all right? But for real, this is why I customize shoes, because I love shoes. I've always loved them since I was a kid. So I was like, wait, I can make them myself? And it was like, wow, the world exploded. My whole entire world. I was reduced to a molecule. I didn't even know what I was anymore. This one is a shoe that I think I've seen done before, customized. But I ain't never seen anyone do it the right way, I feel like. They ain't put that touch, that little thing, the intangibles. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do that. And it's gonna be a Vemy custom. That's Venom for those of you who don't know, okay? Vemy, little Vemy, cute Vemy.
We will find you and eat both your arms and then both of your legs, and then we will eat your face right off your head. Do you understand?
And I got the shoe right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a sneak preview, but that's all you're gonna get. So don't ask for more. You could obviously skip ahead of this video, but you ain't gonna do that. Okay, so here we go. That's all you getting, all right? I'm excited for this. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy what I got coming. It got me going crazy. But yeah, we about to hop into this custom. But, if you want to, you can like and subscribe. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this custom.
It's the speaker now. New freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over jet to a check when I land.
Hey, like, so for the inside Vans logo of each shoe, I decided to do that splatter effect. You know what it is. If you watched the last video, you can watch it. It's gonna be linked somewhere, or you could just find it on the channel, alright? It's pretty easy. You can do it with a real paintbrush, just splatting, splitting, whatever you want to say. But I just did it by hand because it's faster. Less tape work, less mess. But yeah,